for Chapi.
Wow!
Hello, children. I have a story to tell you.
Please tell us and make us happy.
The title of our story today is Kotuma. If the dog carries a basket into the bush, all the dung will be finished. Once upon a time, when men and animals lived together, did everything together, and spoke the same language, there was a king who had a very beautiful daughter. Many people were coming to marry this daughter, both men and animals, but the king would not give his daughter away. Finally, he said that at his next ofala, that is at the coronation anniversary, that he will give out his daughter in marriage. So, on the day of the anniversary of his ofala, many people gathered at the ofala ground, a big field. Both people and animals, they gathered from morning. They started gathering. Finally, the king arrived with his daughter at the arena. And then he made an announcement. He said that the only person that can marry his daughter must be able to finish a big basket of red hot pepper without blowing air in and out of his mouth. That person cannot do that. So the animals that wanted to marry the daughter, they came into the field, into the center of the field, including Tortoise. The first animal that went in to try was Monkey. He stood out and the servants brought one of the baskets and put in front of him. He took some. He took a handful and ate. Wow! The heat came. He closed his ear. He stopped his ear. No, the heat was too much. He started jumping up and down like a mad person. And the crowd started laughing and hooting at him. They hooted until he ran out of the arena. The next person that came after Monkey had run out was a very strong man, powerful man. He came. He took some and put in his mouth and ate. It was not hot immediately. Then the fire came. He shouted, "Oh, if this is it, how will it be?" He started shouting and people laughed at him and he failed again. After that, Antelope came. You know, Antelope runs a lot, very fast runner. Antelope came out and they brought the basket in front of him. Antelope took a few mouthfuls, ate it. The fire came. He started jumping like a mad person, then started running, galloping, running from the field. People were pursuing him, but they couldn't catch him because he runs very fast. He ran and ran and ran until he got to the stream. And there he drank and quenched the fire that was in his throat. After that one, Chimpanzee came, tried, failed. Another strong man, the greatest wrestler in town, came and tried, he failed. That was how all the animals were trying and failing. Meanwhile, Tortoise just stood by the side, watching them. When they had all failed, Tortoise now came out and said, that he wants to try. He said, "King, you shall live forever. Please, I want to eat, but I have only one condition. Will you allow me to be singing song while I am eating the pepper?" The king said, "Well, I don't see anything wrong with you singing and eating pepper at the same time." So, Mbe the tortoise, he started singing. As he put pepper inside his mouth, he started singing. Kotuma to name them basically Kotuma as. Kotuma to name them basically Kotuma asu. Kotuma to 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 them So when he was saying that people didn't know that it was using style to blow in air, to suck in air and breathe out. And they thought it was a nice song. He kept on eating and singing, eating and singing. And the crowd even joined him to start singing a Kotuma to name them basically Kotuma as. That was how Tortoise continued eating and eating until he finished the entire basket. Because Tortoise has said to himself that it is tact that people use to achieve great things. And you use tact to eat something that is hot. And that was what he used, the sense he used to finish the basket of red pepper. So you see how cunning Tortoise is? In a game of men and animals, Tortoise still won and beat all of them. When the king saw that he had finished eating the basket, he had to fulfill his promise and he gave Tortoise his daughter to marry. Chapi! War. Now the moral of this story is that you must use your sense. Person with sense is more powerful than a strong person or somebody with money. Chapi! War. The preservation of Igbo language and culture is a task that must be accomplished.